Hello and welcome to this short video. I am in the situation where I would like to make an update of an existing reporting package. One possibility could be that I'm running a new quarter, a new submission, and a second option might be that I would like to make a correction for an existing submission to the authorities. Initially, I will go here in the SolvencyTool module under the QRT dashboard to previous input and open my proper package. In this case, I only have one, which is the demo package. I would create a copy as this one has been published. This means that it's not open for any sort of edits, so I will make a copy to a new draft, which means that I will get a full copy of the entire package and it will be renamed Demo 1. The content is exactly the same and in each of the templates would be exactly the same as was in the previous package. The only thing that might have been updated is the reporting submission date and the reporting reference date. We set the reporting reference date to the last date the last day of the last quarter, and the reporting submission date is as a default the deadline for the current quarter, and as this one has been passed now, we set it to the current date, as you can see here. Next, I will go to the Excel add-in and I would simply go and download the figures we have. The thing is, I would have some errors on 602, so really the only thing I need to do is to download 602, the list of assets, and make my corrections. On 602 we would highlight the various issues concerning the validations by coloring the cells. So you can see here initially that we have a lack of acquisition value. I do not have this at hand. So the only thing I will do here to fix the problem is basically to take the total SolvencyTool value and basically just reuse the value we have here. I'm also getting some information that the SolvencyTool value doesn't match the quantity times, as you can see here, times the unit SolvencyTool price, and the reason for that is that there's basically a lack of the unit SolvencyTool price. You can see that here. So I'll fix that quite easily by just putting this one equal to the SolvencyTool value, which is here, divided by the quantity, like this, and then that is basically done. I'll just quickly check if there will be other things I need to fix. It looks like there's a potential issue with the issuer country, but it might has to do with the lack of an issuer name as well. So in this case I will simply take a copy of the item title and basically see what it looks like. That might have fixed the other problem as well. Yes, it did. So I think that will be about it. I will upload this to the solution, just 602 of course, as this is the only template I modified, and I will go back to the system and I will check my validations. So basically just create the validation reports to see if it's okay now. Now for the other package I was looking at, we will see that we had a few issues here in the reporting package. There would be 4 different validations that were not fulfilled, 3 non-blocking validations and 1 blocking validation. The non-blocking validations should be paid attention to, even though they are non-blocking. Usually financial authorities would reject them anyways. So let's see if we have fixed the problem in the last package we're running. The validation is done, and I'm ready to retrieve my report by clicking on validations, and I can see that now there's no errors in the package. So really what I'm aiming at here is to save and publish the package. We're done with that, and I could go to the QRT XBRL documents to really produce the XBRL file and submit it to the authorities. Thanks for watching this short video. You're welcome to watch more videos on our website.